Hey there! Welcome to my channel, and today's video I am going to make garlic teriyaki chicken. And these are the ingredients that I am going to use. It's better if you use boneless chicken breast. And we're going to marinate this for at least 20 minutes or longer. I added 1 tablespoon of Mirin, 1 tablespoon of black soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of white sugar, 3 cloves of garlic that I thinly sliced already. So, and this is the 2-piece chicken breast that I sliced thinly also. Alright guys, it's time to cook our chicken. Let's heat our pan. Add our sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Heat it up. So we will fry our chicken and we will just let the liquid evaporate, okay? Let's flip it. I'm cooking it in medium-high heat. There, the liquid starts to go away. Make sure you spread them out. Yeah, cook it until all the liquids are gone. And cook it until all the chickens are brown. And then it's done. Ready to enjoy. Okay, our chicken is brown and that is done enough for me. You don't want to overcook it, especially with the chicken breast because they'll get dry very quick. So that's it, and let's turn off this. Our crispy-ish teriyaki chicken. Drizzle it with, sprinkle it with cilantro or green onion if you want. Yes. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it. And if you have any suggestions, leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Please check my other videos. Thank you.